Hi, I'm Catherine with the Old Country Porch. Today I'm going to be testing out 10 ways that you can clean silver using things you already have in your house. So the first thing I'm going to test out is I'm going to soak these two pieces in lemon lime soda. I'm using Sprite, but apparently any kind of lemon lime soda works. These have been sitting for a little over an hour. So I'll use a microfiber cloth to see if this works. So the tarnish is coming off, but it's not coming off easily. So for getting things clean, I don't think this one really works. The next thing I'm going to try is WD-40. I'm just going to spray some on and try to polish it. It's definitely getting some tarnish off, but this one is still not getting it clean. So I'm going to say the WD-40 did not work. Next, I'm trying a cornstarch paste. I'm just going to add enough water to make a paste with. So for this one, you're supposed to apply the paste and let it dry. The cornstarch paste is completely dry, so now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth and try to polish it. And this one is taking a little bit of the tarnish off, but it is not working to clean it. The next one I'm trying is using a magic eraser. So I've just got this one wet and I'm going to try to clean it. So you can see just a little bit of the tarnish has come off onto the magic eraser, but this one also did not work. The next one I'm going to try is hand sanitizer. So I'm going to put a little bit in this spoon and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. I've let the hand sanitizer sit for a little while and now I'm using a microfiber cloth to see if this works. So this one is removing some of the tarnish, but it is not getting it clean. Next, I'm going to try toothpaste with a microfiber cloth. The toothpaste definitely worked and it wasn't that difficult. Next up is ketchup, and you have to let it sit for about 20 minutes before you try to clean it off. This one's been sitting for about 20 minutes, so I'm going to use a microfiber cloth to see if it worked. And this one is getting a little bit of the tarnish off, but it is not working to clean it. Next, I'm going to be trying baking soda and lemon juice. I'm just going to put the spoon in here and let it sit for about 20 minutes. This one's been sitting for a while. Now let's see if anything happens. So this one is definitely working. It's not coming off easily, but it is coming off. So I'm going to say this one does work. For this one, we're just taking some warm water and some dish soap. And I'm going to use a microfiber cloth. And this one doesn't seem to be working at all. I don't see any tarnish coming off. For this one, I'm using boiling water, foil, and baking soda. I also saw a couple recipes that said to add salt to it too, but I thought I'd try it first without the salt. And I'm just going to set this whole thing into the water. And you can already see a huge difference with this one. And it looks like this one is going to be the clear winner with just boiling water, baking soda, and aluminum foil, and then finished with a light polish. So this one is definitely my #1 choice. #2 is using toothpaste, and #3 would be the lemon and baking soda. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.